Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock a Paysafe card. This is a great way to keep your money safe and secure, and it's also a great way to make online purchases. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you understand the risks of using prepaid cards. Prepaid cards are not FDIC insured, so if the company that issues your card goes out of business, you could lose your money. Additionally, prepaid cards can be used for fraudulent purposes, so it's important to be careful when using them. Now that we've covered the risks, let's get started on how to unlock a Paysafe card. Steps to unlock a Paysafe card. Go to the Paysafe website and create an account. Once you have created an account, you will need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Once your identity has been verified, you will be able to add funds to your Paysafe card. You can do this by using a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Once you have added funds to your Paysafe card, you can unlock it. To do this, you will need to enter the 16-digit PIN code that is printed on the back of your card. Once you have entered the PIN code, your Paysafe card will be unlocked and you will be able to use it to make online purchases. Additional tips. If you forget your PIN code, you can reset it by going to the Paysafe website. You can also use your Paysafe card to make cash withdrawals at ATMs. You can use your Paysafe card to pay for goods and services in person. You can use your Paysafe card to send money to friends and family. Unlocking a Paysafe card is a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. Once you have unlocked your card, you can use it to make online purchases, pay for goods and services in person, and send money to friends and family. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to unlock a Paysafe card. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will also be adding a link to the Paysafe website in the description below, so you can learn more about their products and services. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.